Maobitha ũgima wa mwĩrĩ arĩa makoretwo mandĩkĩtwo nĩ thirikari nene nĩ marakayanĩkĩra marauga nĩ kwenda kweherio rungu rwa mũmandĩki na kũrorio thirikari-inĩ cia kauntĩ.
President William Ruto promised to employ 20,000 healthcare workers. So we are wondering, if you cannot absorb 80,500, how are you going to employ 20,000 healthcare workers? Maybe the government, this is the policy of this government, we don't understand. That's why you are calling about the minister. If it is the policy of the government, please stop dilly-dallying.
Matongoretio nĩ mwandĩki mũnene ngwatanĩro-inĩ ya endia a ndawa Elias Mutuma marĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Meru. Maobitha aya marauga kwa ihinda rĩa mweri ũmwe makoretwo na kĩriga gĩa kũrĩa marũgamĩire kũrũmĩrĩra kĩagago gĩkĩ.
The Ministry of Health has failed to give proper policy direction to county government. We are calling upon both levels of government to end this blame game, which does it serve public interests and end this discrimination that goes against Article 41 of the Constitution 2010 as well as Employment Act number 11 of 2007.
Kandarathi yao yathirire mweri mũhĩtũku no thirikari nene ikoretwo ĩkĩenda kũmahe kandarathi ya mwaka ũmwe icoke mandĩke, no magavana maratuĩka marenda kũmahe kandarathi ya mĩaka ĩtatũ.
And the Council of Governors, if you don't want to absorb them, stay away from them. Let the national government deal with them. If you're terming the national government employees, let the national government deal with them. Leave them alone. Because it is very wrong for you when the government is saying, the national government is saying, we will give them 1 year, then turn them to permanent and pensionable. The Council of Governors is coming with 3-year contract. Who is lying here? They are meeting County Public Service Board and telling them it is 3 years. They are meeting Senate and other union leaders and telling them it is 1 year. So we don't know which is which. So we are suffering. These people are suffering. They don't know if tomorrow they will be able to pay school fees for their children.
Wagagu wao nĩ atĩ maingĩra thirikari-inĩ cia kauntĩ maya gũtũra na kĩagago ta kĩrĩa maobitha amwe arĩa makoragwo rungu rwa kauntĩ matũire nakĩo ta gũikaragĩrio mĩcara. Ingĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kimani.